Who's looking for a fast and easy lunch, especially with the kids home for summer? When they want food now. So we're going to handle that today. I have got some 5 cheese Texas toast, and we're going to turn that into a quick little pizza. I have a piece of parchment paper on my baking sheet. I have some pasta sauce, folks. You can use whatever you have. This is what I happen to find in the pantry. Put just a little bit of that on each one. Folks, we're going easy today. We're doing pepperoni. Just plain old pepperoni. You can add any other toppings that you would like on there. If you wanted to add onions, peppers, mushrooms, sausage, ground beef, you'd have a supreme. Or super supreme, which is it? Anyway, it would be more than just the basic that we're doing today. Then I have just some plain old pepperonis. Now I have got my oven preheating to 425. That always helps the cooking process go a lot quicker if you do your preheating. Okay, I'm going to put about 3 on here, 2 to 3, whatever you would like. Now you can use the mini pepperonis. They look really cute, but in all honesty, I looked at the price of those and I got double the amount of big pepperonis for half the price. Guys, I'm a thrifty shopper and I just thought it was ridiculous to pay that extra to have a cute little pepperoni, so I didn't. You may want to. Just have mozzarella cheese. Top this with mozzarella cheese. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some Italian seasoning on here. Okay. Now let's get that in the oven for probably 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Alrighty, there is our pizza made on the Texas toast. It's perfect for a small child for 1, or 2 or 3 for a big. Folks, this is warm, very warm. But as you can see, everything is nice and melted. The outside of the toast is crisp. So there you have it, guys. A fast, easy meal for a kid, little or big. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on that next video.